Good day, everyone. My name is Karil Marnet R. Sihala.
And Morgan Trixie C. Griel.
Today, we will present our chemistry solving tutorial about concentrations of solutions.
We will explain the steps and formulas clearly to help you understand how to solve problems related to solution concentration easily.
So today, I'm going to introduce to you the formulas of concentration of solution. So first is we have the molarity. The formula of molarity is molarity equals moles of solute over volume of solution in liters. Next is mass of concentration. Concentration equals mass of solute over volume of solution. Next is mass of percent. Mass of solute over total mass of solution times 100%. Next is volume percent. Volume of solute over total volume of solution times 100%.
Mass and volume percent equals mass of solute over volume of solution times 100%. Parts per million equals mass of solute over mass of solution times 10 to the power of 6. Molality. M is equal to moles of solute over kilograms of solvent. Moles of solute equals mass of solute over molar mass.
So now we're going to solve the problem. So the mass of solution equals to 15 grams of sodium chloride is added to 85 grams of water, and that makes it 100 grams of solution. Next is the percent of sodium chloride equals to 15 grams divided by 100 grams of solution times 100 is equals to 15%. Next, the problem that we're going to solve is percent by volume. For example, a solution contains 50 ml of ethanol mixed with 150 ml of water. Determine the percent by volume of ethanol in the solution. The formula that we're going to use is percent by volume equals volume of solute over total volume of solution times 100. The given are the volume of ethanol is equals to 50 ml and the volume of water is 150 ml. Next is we're going to solve the problem. First is the total volume equals 50% of ethanol is mixed with 150 ml of water is equals to 200 ml of solution. Percent by volume equals 50 ml of ethanol is divided by 200 ml of solution times 100 is equals to 25%. And the answer is 25%. So next, the problem that we're going to discuss is molarity. Determine the molarity of solution containing of 2.40 grams of sodium chloride in 40.0 ml of solution. So the given or mass of sodium chloride is 2.40 grams and the volume is 40.0 ml and the molar mass is 58.44 grams per mole. In the volume of solution is converted into liters by using the formula of 40.0 ml divided by 1000 equals to 0.040 liters. And next, the formula that we're going to use is molarity equals to moles of solute over volume of solution in liters. So now we're going to solve the problem. So first, before finding the answer for the molarity, we're going to find first the answer of moles of solute. So first is moles equals to 2.40 grams over 58.44 grams per mole is equals to 0.0411 mole. So as you can see, the 58.44 grams per mole is already given. So now we just substitute it to the formula. So the answer is 0.0411 mole. So if you're curious why the answer is only mole, it's because we canceled out the grams. That makes it 0.0411 mole. And finally, we're going to find the answer for the molarity. So M is equals to 0.0411 mole over 0.040 liters is equals to 1.0 0.28 molarity. And the answer is 1.028 molarity.
Next, the problem that we're gonna be discussing is molality. If 10 grams of potassium chloride is dissolved in 200 grams of water, find the molality of the solution. Molar mass of potassium chloride is already provided in the problem, which is 74.55 grams per mole. In this problem, we have our given mass of potassium chloride is equals to 10 grams and molar mass is equals to 74.55 grams per mole, and mass of solvent or water is equals to 200 grams. So the water needs to be converted to kilogram using the formula of 200 grams divided by 1000 is equals to 0.2 kilograms. Solution. So to find first is the mole of solute. So potassium chloride is equals to mass of solute or potassium chloride is equals to 10 grams divided by 74.55 grams per mole, which is the molar mass of potassium chloride, and the answer is 0.134 mole. So just like in the answer of molarity, the grams in the solution is also cancelled. So after finding the moles of solute, we are going now to find the molality. Molality is equals to moles of solute, which is 0.134 mole over 0.2 kg, which is the mass of solvent or water, and equals to 0.670 molality. So the next problem that we're gonna be discussing is mole of fraction. A solution is prepared by mixing 400 grams of sodium hydroxide with 180 grams of water. Calculate the mole of fraction of sodium hydroxide. The molar mass of sodium hydroxide in overall is 40. The given are mass of sodium hydroxide, which is our solute, equals to 40 grams. Then the mass of our solvent, which is the water, is equals to 180 grams. Then our molar mass, as I said earlier, is 40 gmol because we added all the atomic masses of sodium hydroxide. Solution. First, the sodium hydroxide is equals to mass of solute, which is 40 grams over molar mass of sodium hydroxide is equals to 40 grams per mole, and the answer is 1 mole. Next, H2O or the water is equals to mass of solvent or water is equals to 180 grams over 18. So 18 is from the H2O. So, because the atomic masses of H2O is the hydrogen is 1 and multiplied by 2, while the oxygen is 16. So 16 plus 2 is equals to 18. So the answer is 10 mole. The moles of solute of sodium hydroxide, which is 1 mole, over the sodium hydroxide mole, which is 1, plus by the H2O answer, which is 10, is equals to 0.0909. So next is the H2O, or the water. So to shortcut the answer in H2O is 1 minus the answer of sodium hydroxide, which is 0.0909, equals to 0.9091. The sodium hydroxide is added to sodium of water, which is 0.0909 plus 0.9091 is equals to 1. So the last problem that we are gonna be discussing is ppm or ppb, parts per million and parts per billion. Problem. The solubility of sodium chloride is 284 grams and 100 grams of water. What is this concentration in ppm or parts per million? Given. So our mass of solute is 284 grams, then our mass of solution is 100 grams. Then we should find first the concentration in ppm, or the C. Solution. So the formula that we're gonna use is C is equals to mass of solute over mass of solution and times by 10 to the power of 6. So our mass of solute is 284, then our mass of solution is 100 grams. Then times by 10 to the power of 6. So our answer is 2,840,000 ppm, or parts per million. So that's all. Thank you for watching our chemistry solving tutorial on concentrations of solution.
We hope this helped you understand the topic better and improved your problem solving skills. See
See you
you on
na
our next
tutorial.
tutorial!